What's up YouTube? What's up LB Squad? It's your girl Keela and I'm back with another video. Video. I know I didn't say that as loud and hype as I normally do, and that is because y'all, it is 11:15 at night. My husband's asleep. All the rest of us is up. I'm up. My kids are up. So if y'all hear Coco Melon in the background, that is why. I really hope that's not somebody getting copyright over. I'm probably gonna turn it down anyway, just in case. But yeah, just to jump right into this video, as y'all can see, y'all probably looking at my fingers like, oh, her nails is rough. Y'all, I'm not an acrylic girl. I no longer wear acrylic nails. I do press-ons. I have a new press-on set from one of my homegirls that now makes press-on sets. And I'm going to make sure I mention her, put her information up so y'all can check her out. Go support my girl. Her name is Ajane. And she's new to the nail game and she makes the cutest, she do acrylic nails too, y'all, but she makes the cutest press-on sets. I used to have one other girl that I go to all the time, but this girl, now that she does them, she's closer and I can kind of pick my nails up a little faster versus the shipping. So I said I was gonna get some from her, and this is the design that I picked. Comes in this cute little box. Y'all hear my 1-year-old? And these are the nails. So I thought that I would do a video of me applying my new press-on set. I've done a video of me applying a press-on set before just to show y'all how I do it. But this video is just gonna be me applying them. I just thought, why not? Be good content to create. Some people like to watch, you know, people putting on their press-on. So I said, well, let me just go ahead and record me putting on my new set. So that's what we're about to do. But let me get this Coco Melon off because I don't have time for YouTube and their BS. I'll be right back. Alright, so to get started, first thing first, y'all, I always use my little black bowl. And I put, I manicure my nails first. So in this bowl, I put peroxide, you know, just to kill germs. And I got this milk bath that I get from this company, Luxe Boutique Co. I'm gonna put their information in this video as well and in the comments so y'all can check them out. So I put a little milk bath in here and then a little bubble bath too. Yes, I use bubble bath to manicure my nails. So first thing I do, y'all, is pretty much just go ahead and let my nails soak. I do one hand at a time and I let it soak so the cuticles can get soft, so I can go ahead and push them back and clip them and do what I need to do with the cuticles. So let's get started. Alright, y'all, so I let my left hand soak. My dominant hand is my right, so I always start on my left. Y'all hear my baby. So I let my left hand soak for 3 minutes. And now this is the part where I go ahead and start pushing my cuticle back and clipping my cuticles. Alright, y'all, so I've completed the left side. I don't know if you can see. Well, pretty much I've clipped the cuticles and pushed them back on the left side. I got nubs, y'all, because I bite my nails. I'm very bad at it. So I'm going to pretty much repeat that process on my right hand, and I'll be right back when I'm done with that. Alright, so I've manicured both hands, my left and my right. So the next step of me putting on my press-ons is I go ahead and file them, buff them, or whatever y'all consider yourself doing with this. My baby wants to be in my video. Don't matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the filing and stuff done. You just want to make sure that your natural oils is not on your nails because that's how you get your press-ons to stick and last for a long time. My press-ons typically last me about 3 weeks. So this is the next step. After you clip your cuticles, push them back, or do whatever you gotta do, you go ahead and file it, buff it, whatever you call it. Alright, so they all buffed up, you know, looking rough, so that the nails have something to stick to. So now to the nitty gritty. We can go ahead and put these bad boys on right now. Alright y'all, so I got my left hand done. Now the right hand is kind of tricky. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put those on and then let y'all get the full look. Typically when I put mine on, sometimes some of them may be a little crooked. I'm not a professional, but here they are so far. Y'all see? I'm gonna go ahead and do the right hand, and I'll be right back with y'all to show y'all the finished product and tell y'all exactly. Alright y'all, so I'm all done with applying my press-on set. Here they are. I'm gonna try to see if the camera get a close-up for y'all. My thumbs. Yeah, they're two different sizes, y'all. Fat thumb and look. Excuse my coughing baby. But that's it, y'all. Your girl applied her press-on set. This mama's starting to look a little decent. Yeah, baby. You clap? You tell me you clap? My baby's so cute. She's so pretty. Well, y'all, I just wanted to do that quick little video with y'all. Well, I applied my press-ons, and y'all make sure y'all check my girl out. Again, I'm gonna drop her information down below in the comment section. I feel like the comment section is looked at more than the description, so that's why I put the information there. So y'all make sure y'all check her out in the comment section. Get you some press-ons, baby. This is the way to go. You can soak them and take them off whenever you're ready. I love my press-ons. Come here. You wanna say goodnight? Come here. You wanna tell friends night-night? Past her bedtime and she's sleeping, but she's sitting up here watching mommy. You tell them night night. Say night night. Say night night, YouTube. You said night night. Say it one more time. Say night night. Okay. Good night, y'all. Y'all stay safe and be blessed. We'll see y'all in our next video. I know we already said good night, but I had to jump back in and let y'all know about this part. I do apply cuticle oil to my nails as well. I got this cuticle oil from another girl that I be buying press-ons from, so I also put her information down below too. Now, on that note, y'all stay blessed and have a good night.